Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, like I promised last week, I'll be sharing the fish cakes recipe. Yes, the one I had with my Ade jollof. And you don't want to miss this. It is so easy, using very few ingredients, but so nutritious. You would enjoy it. The kids would also enjoy it. So do stick and stay, and let's do this. For our ingredients, we are going to be needing some fish. I chose to use mackerel, fresh mackerel. Of course, you can use any fish you prefer. And then I'll need some powdered pepper, turmeric powder, salt, bay leaves, some flour, vegetables of your choice. I'll be using some carrots and chopped onions, and then some breadcrumbs and an egg. We'll start by cooking our fish, so I'll add a little water and then some salt and drop in my bay leaves, and then we'll allow it to boil. If you're new here, I hope you make yourself comfortable by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. So once my mackerel is cooked, I'll go ahead and flake my mackerel, and I'm using a fork, but of course you can use your fingers. And then once I have it in flakes, I'll go ahead and add in the rest of my ingredients. This is the pepper and turmeric powder, my vegetables as well, and then combine all the ingredients together properly. I also want to take this opportunity to thank my loyal returning subscribers. I can't do this without you. I'm so grateful. So I went ahead to add in my egg, which I am also folding in beautifully. Then the next thing I'll add is my flour, but I'm adding it in bits. But don't worry, we are going to get the perfect consistency. Once everything is mixed together properly, I'll go ahead and spread some breadcrumbs on a plate and scoop bits of my mixture, preferably in bowls, onto my breadcrumbs on the plate. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and coat all my balls of mixture with generous amounts of breadcrumbs. This recipe can be enjoyed as breakfast, lunch, supper, snack. Your little bloomers would really love these fish cakes. Now I'll go ahead and heat some oil in a frying pan, just enough oil to cover the base, and then drop in my fish cakes. So once I put them in, I'll go ahead and flatten them. I would recommend frying this on medium-low heat and then aiming at a golden brown color. You should fry each side for about 4 to 5 minutes and you're good to go. I'll go kill you with enjoyment, 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 enjoyment. Hey, our fish cakes are ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and do share my content, and let's all enjoy this recipe together. And as always, please leave comments down below. Let me know how you feel about my recipes, this one inclusive, and then let me know if you try some for your bloomers. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to come and subscribe and join this blooming family. Until we meet again, as always, keep blooming.